Welcome back to another Trade Journal video. This is Trade Journal number 23. I'm going to start off by talking about this past week's trades and then jump into what I have set up for next week. And before we jump into that, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all of my latest trades. Now, jumping into the trade that I had going on for this past week, it was on Moderna. It was a covered call. So what happened in the past weeks was basically I got assigned the stock at $125, which is right here at this red line, and then I sold a call expiring today at $125. So as long as the price stayed below this, which it did, I get to keep all of the premium for selling that call. And if it went above, then I get to keep the premium, but I would get my shares taken away. So as you can see this week, I sold the call on the 24th, and then the price stayed below that point. The price actually ended up kind of going down quite a bit, but I ended up getting to keep all the premium for selling that call. So I ended up making $388 for this week. And then jumping into my trade for next week, since the price did move down quite a bit, I've decided to sell another call expiring on January 8th at a lower strike price. So let me go ahead and move this line to that. I'm now selling a covered call at the 121 strike price. So right where the red line is. So as long as the price stays below this, I get to keep all of the premium, which in this case is a max profit of $182. And if the price goes above it, then I get my shares taken away at $121, but I still get to keep the premium for selling that call. If the price does spike back up, I'll most likely roll this back up to the 125 mark just so there's no loss on actually owning the stock. And I can most likely do that in some sort of way that it'll be a break-even trade on this call currently. We'll see how the price continues to trend next week. When I sold this call earlier today, the price was actually around $110 and it's dropped down to 104. So I'm already up about 50% or $90 on this trade. I might go ahead and close this one out early on Monday, and then if the price spikes back up, I can sell another call at a higher price and collect even more premium. My game plan here is to just keep collecting premium until the price recovers, at which point I'll be okay letting go of the shares around the $125 mark. And that's my trade for next week. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and feel free to leave those down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe the video so you can stay up to date on all of my trades. And I'll see you all next week.